In this video, I will show you how to use ChatGPT for sleep improvement tips. I start by asking ChatGPT to build a sleep plan for a professional who struggles to stay asleep and feel rested. The AI suggests a plan centered on a 30-minute wind-down buffer and morning daylight to reset the internal clock. This focuses on sending gradual signals to the body to prepare for rest rather than forcing a sudden, unsustainable change. Next, I request a specific timeline that begins 60 minutes before my target bedtime of 11 p.m. ChatGPT generates a step-by-step routine including a quick room reset, light stretching, and turning off all screens 30 minutes before bed. This structured countdown helps reduce mental clutter and physical tension, making it much easier to transition into a deep sleep. I then ask for practical solutions to 5 common sleep problems, such as racing thoughts and midnight wake-ups. The AI recommends a 5-minute brain dump to clear the mind and a 20-minute reset rule to avoid associating the bed with frustration. These strategies are specifically designed to break the cycle of bedtime anxiety and improve overall sleep depth. Finally, I have ChatGPT create a 7-day reset plan to gradually shift my bedtime earlier each night. This plan adds one manageable new habit each day, like a caffeine cutoff or a short morning walk, to ensure the changes are sustainable. Following this guide builds a consistent system that makes waking up feel much easier by the end of the week. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.